Namaste children. Today we are going to see conditional class. Okay. A conditional class has two classes, that is an if class and a main class. Okay. In a conditional class, that is condition means nibandhanai. Okay. If class is the conditional class. Okay. ஒரு நிபந்தனையுடன் கூடிய ஒரு sentence, that is if class. Main class is the result of the if class, that is result of the conditional class, that is main class. See this example. If you work hard, you will pass. So if you work hard, if means what? Irundal. So it's some kind of condition. If you work hard, நீ கடினமா வேலை பார்த்தால், you will pass. நீ pass ஆவ. Okay, so that is if class and this is main class. Okay, so result of the action is the main class and if class is the conditional class. Next, so to write the if class, we should know something. Okay, நமக்கு என்ன வரணும், கொஞ்சம் தெரியணும், என்ன டென்ஸ் எல்லாம் தெரியணும்னு பார்க்கும்போது first we should note the tense. Okay, then where we want to add if. Okay, in both sentence they will give two sentence. Here see, two sentences there. You work hard, you will pass. Without if means, okay, where we want to add if, we should know that. Okay, after if class we should put comma. So where we want to add if, we can add if to the first part of, then first which action happened first, there only we won't add if. Okay, எந்த நிகழ்ச்சி முதல் நடக்குமோ அதுக்கு தான் if சேர்க்கணும். Okay, remaining part is the main class. Okay, so tense, what are the tense we should know? So children listen, already in first class itself we have seen 12 kinds of tenses. So here we should know simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. See here, then past perfect, then present perfect. Present perfect means have played, should or would plus present perfect. Okay, here full is not a present perfect children, should or would plus present perfect, that is have played only, after should would have only want to come. Okay, these are the tenses we should know. So simple present means we know that play, plays, do, does, is, are, has, have also present tense. Past tense, V2 of the verb, played, did, had, was, were. Okay, next simple future tense, will or shall plus V1, that is will play, shall play. Past perfect, had plus V3. Okay, then should or would plus present perfect. These are the tenses we should know. Okay, conditional class has 4 types. How many types? 4 types. First one is the zero condition. Zero condition is not just a where we want to use zero condition. This zero condition we want to use in universal truth and scientific facts. Okay, there only we should use the zero condition, that is உலக பொது உண்மைகள் as well as scientific fact, அறிவியல் பூர்வமான நிகழ்வுகள். For that we should use zero condition. In zero condition, in if class as well as in main class, tense should be same, that is in present, simple present tense. If you heat ice, it melts. Okay, ice heat panna idu vandu urugum. This is scientific truth, so we want to use zero condition. In that zero condition, if class also we should use present tense, as well as main class also we should use present tense. If we boil the ice, it melts and evaporates. Okay, so zero condition in both if class and main class we should use simple present tense. Okay, next probable condition. Probable means open and natural, that is it will happen, நடக்கலாம், நடைபெற கூடியவை. ஓகே, கண்டிப்பாக நடக்கும், அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறது probable condition. There in if class tense should be simple present, in main class tense should be will or shall plus V1, sometimes can, K, may. Okay, see the example. She sings well, she gets prize. Here they are giving two sentences, both are main class. ஒன்று depend on இல்ல, ரெண்டு தனித்தனியாக கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. she sings well, she gets prize, ரெண்டுமே தனித்தனியாக மீனிங் கொடுக்குது நமக்கு. Combine the sentence using if. They will ask question like that only. So first where we want to add if, we should add if which action happened first, எது முதல் நடந்திருக்கணும், she sings well, இதுக்கு தான் நடந்திருக்கணும். So if she sings well. Okay, நல்லா பாடுனா என்ன நடக்கும், she will get prize. Okay, so in if class we use simple present tense. here in main class we have used what? So future, simple future tense, will get prize. Okay, so in this, see the first example, like this only they will give question. Okay, இந்த மாதிரி தான் கொஸ்டின் இருக்கும். ரெண்டு சென்டென்ஸ் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. we should combine both. ரெண்டுமே இங்கே அஃபர்மேட்டிவாக இருக்குது. அஃபர்மேட்டிவ்னா ரெண்டுமே பாசிட்டிவ் சென்டென்ஸாக இருக்குது. அப்போ நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்? ஃபஸ்ட்டு கிளாஸ் யூஸ் ப்ராபபிள் கண்டிஷன் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, next they attend the meeting, they get the certificates. So which action want to happen first? If they attend the meeting, they will get the certificates. Okay, attend, simple present tense, then simple future. Next question, see this third one. Walk fast, you catch the bus. Okay, if you walk fast, நீ வேகமா நடந்தேனா, you will catch the bus. Okay, so maximum both sentences are affirmative, both sentences are positive sentence, means we can use this probable condition. Okay children, then third, improbable. Improbable means what? இயலும் but என்ன ஆகாது, நடக்காது, imaginary. Okay, நடக்காதது. Okay, that is improbable, imaginary condition. There in class tenses should be simple past tense. In main class tense should be would plus v1 or else could plus v1. Okay, example, if you walked fast, you would get bus. But if you walked is a simple past tense, you will get the bus. Would plus v1 of the verb. Okay children, yes, see the example. First one, you worked hard. Okay, you get pass mark. Worked is a past tense. Get pass, here they are giving a what? Simple present tense, but here we are going to use third condition, improbable condition. Okay, if you worked hard, okay, நீ நல்ல கடினமாக உழைத்தால், you would get pass mark. Here we want to change the tense, would get. Okay, because here we are using simple past tense. Simple past tense means here would or could plus v1 of the verb want to come. Okay, second question, I'm not a bird, I can't fly. Okay, so if I were a bird, I would fly. Why ma'am you have changed like that? If you ask me, நமக்கு அந்த சென்டென்ஸில் இருக்கக்கூடிய மீனிங் மாறாமல் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? இஃப் கிளாஸ் மாற்றணும். இஃப் ஐ வேர் அ பேர்ட் ஐ வுட் ஃப்ளை. பறவை இருந்தால் நான் பறந்துருப்பேன். பட் ஹியர் ஐ எம் நாட் அ பேர்ட், ஐ கான்ட் ஃப்ளை. பறவை இல்லை, அதனால் பறக்கலைன்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஆஃப்டர் ஐ வி ஷுட் யூஸ் வேர் ஓன்லி இன் இஃப் கிளாஸ். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், so if I were a bird, I would fly. She can't buy a car, she didn't have the money. She can't buy a car. எது முதல்ல வந்திருக்கணும்? பின்னாடி கொடுத்துருக்கோம். She didn't have the money. So this only want to come front. If she had money, see here, if she had money, she would buy the car. Okay, here both sentences are negative. I am using third condition, but that is improbable condition. Okay, so if she had money, it plus have is equal to had money, she would buy the car. Okay children, yes. Fourth condition, impossible condition. That is impossible means what? Already it happened, it can't be changed. Something already happened, you can't change it. Okay, that is here tenses should be in past perfect. Main class tense should be would have or could have plus v3 of the verb. Okay, would have or could have plus v3 of the verb. Note that point. Okay, had rained, had accepted. Here would have flourished, would have got. Okay, see the example. If I had talked clearly, I would have pacified them. Have talked, past perfect. Would plus have plus v3 of the verb. Would have plus v3 of the verb. Okay, this is a model. Now see the example. The players hadn't accepted. The match was not a draw. Here both are negative sentence. Okay, we can use this fourth condition. Okay, if the players had accepted, the match would have been draw. Okay, had accepted, would have been. Okay, no, now see here in third condition, here she can't buy a car, she didn't have the money. I use this third condition. Here we can use fourth condition also. Okay, then second question, I felt tired. I haven't had my breakfast. Okay. If I had taken my breakfast, I wouldn't have felt tired. If I haven't had taken, nange eduthukala, but I had taken. If I had taken the verb in question is not in the verb. They didn't give the verb taken. We can write if I had had my breakfast also we can write. I wouldn't have felt tired. நான் சாப்பிட்ருந்தேன்னா நான் டயர்டாக இருக்க மாட்டேன். ஓகே, ஸோ இங்கே நாட் இல்லை. ஐ ஃபெல்ட் டயர்டுன்றது இங்கே நாட் இல்லை. திஸ் இஸ் affirmative positive sentence, but here I changed into negative sentence. Okay, so without the meaning change ஆகாம நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், if class மாற்றணும். Okay, where we want to add not, we should note that. Okay children, yes. So 4 conditions over. So questions, how they will ask questions. Okay, while listening conditional class we should know inversion form also. Okay, see, if we had not right we would have gone to the theater. Change into inversion. Okay, change into inversion or begin with had. Okay, if they ask like this, they will ask any one only, change into inversion form or else begin with had. That only they will ask. How we want to add? Right answer. First we should write the auxiliary verb had, then subject, then we should remove the if. Okay, we should remove the if. Okay, then not rained. Had it not rained we would have gone to theater. Like that only. This is the inversion form. This is not only inversion form, begin with the had also. If they ask begin with the had means we should write like this only. Okay, we should remove if. Okay children, next, was he not short he would be selected. Rewrite using if. This combine the sentence using if. Okay, so if he were not short he would be selected. Okay, here if he were not short, short illati, he would be selected. Okay, here he would be selected came. Okay, here in if class simple past tense means in main class would or could plus v1 of the verb want to come, but see here he would be selected. They have written like passive மாத்திருக்காங்க. He would passive கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, so we are writing passive. He would be selected by somebody. Okay, so passive was like passive also main class will come. Then if you should need my help again, just give me a ring. See this question, third one, begin with should. So we should write should first, then subject, then we want to remove if, then remaining part of the sentence we want to write. I didn't write here, but you want to write remaining part of the sentence. Then if the management were go to back on its promise, there would be a strike. Okay, management on the promise காப்பாத்தது strike வரும். Begin with where. So where the management to go back on its promise, there would be a strike. Okay, so we want to remove if here. So begin with sentence, begin with if, begin with had, begin with should and where. Change the sentence in inversion form. Okay, we have seen all the thing here. Next, exercises. How they will ask questions using if class. So how they will ask, rewrite the following sentence using if without changing the meaning. See the first question, he did not write the exam, he failed. Okay, so both two main class they will give. We want to add if to the first, which action happened first. For that we want to use if, then remaining should be a main class. So where we want to add if he did not write the exam. Okay, if he didn't write the exam he would fail. Okay, then it rains I get wet. If it rains I will get wet. He is short, he is not selected. If he were not short he would be selected. Okay, so like this combine the sentence also they will ask. Then fourth question, see, choose. If she asked me dash, which one want? be a good correct answer. Asked past tense here, so would plus help her. I would help her. If she asked me, I would help her. B is the correct answer. Like this also they will ask. Next, fill-ups. See the fifth question. If he had given his address, I'd ask him. Like this fill-ups tense form they asked means how they will ask? Write the correct tense form of the given verb in the bracket. Likewise they will ask. Okay. So we should note the tense given in the first sentence. ரெண்டு சென்டென்ஸ் இந்த மாதிரி கொடுக்கும் பொழுது எந்த சென்டென்ஸில் ஃபில்லப் கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அதுக்கு அடுத்த சென்டென்ஸில் இருக்கக்கூடிய என்ன பார்க்கணும், டென்ஸை பார்த்துட்டு கரெக்டான டென்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் இங்கே எழுதணும். ஸோ ஹியர் ஹேட் கிவன் கேம். ஸோ இங்கே ப்ரெசன்ட் பர்ஃபெக்ட் வந்தால் இங்கே would have or could have ப்ளஸ் V3 of the verb. ஸோ I would have visited him. Okay. Next, if they dash well, they would not get less mark. Okay. So if they slept well, they would not get less mark. நல்லா தூங்கியிருந்தானா நல்லா என்ன பண்ணிருக்கலாம், நல்லா படித்து மார்க் வாங்கி நல்லா எக்ஸாம் எழுதியிருந்துருக்கலாம். ஓகே. So would not get, would plus get. Then here what want to come? Simple past tense want to come. Okay. Okay, see children, like this question they will ask. So today we have seen 4 types of conditional class, that is zero condition, probable, improbable and impossible. Then how they will ask question, inversion form as well as begin with sentence and other kind of what, how they questions also we have seen, combine the sentence and choose and fill-ups we have seen. Okay children, so we should practice daily what we are giving the worksheet. Okay, then only you will learn easily all the grammar. Thank you children, I hope you understand well. Thank you.